Okay. Hello, dear friends. Good morning. Such a beautiful, beautiful morning. And I got up early, and I have to get up early. I didn't want it, but it ended up so good, so that I can see bright sunshine, fresh air, and things getting started to receive, to greet my Monday morning with readiness. And this makes me so happy. Oh, let's do an outfit of the day. The color is not matching. It matches the inside color, kind of bluish, cold color. But is that important? It is not. Nobody noticed. Even myself did not notice. Okay. The reason is that I have to get up early, come to school to do duty. If you are a teacher, you know this duty thing. And then I have a period of time that I do not have physically to be inside the classroom. So I come here to get myself ready, to prepare my mental, to prepare my mindset to be ready for my morning class. And I didn't want to have a morning duty, but everything happens for a reason, or everything happens that can bring something we can actually make good of. If I do not get up early, if I do not have this duty, I can sleep, or I can stay at home, or I can go to swim, or just do nothing, or is not obliged. I can have a choice. But it usually ends up that I do not get up, and it usually ends up that I miss this bright sunshine, this fresh air, this early bird chirping. So I think when you open up your heart, I mean when I open up my heart and accept what is coming my way, and embrace what is coming my way, and make the best of it, then there is a lot of good things behind something we usually think unfortunate or undesirable. Do I make any sense? This is such a beautiful, beautiful morning. I better not to miss it. I better come to here than stay inside a closed classroom, a closed room, and turn on the light. No, there is sun, there is fresh air. This makes me good. This makes me good. Thank you very, very, very much. I love you. Hello, bird. Canadian goose. I love you. I really do. Do. You have a beautiful week ahead. A bad start, a not so good start, an undesirable start is a blessing for the time to come.